Pangan one of the highest prevalence of underweight.
Ito may isang anak ko, underweight.
I want to refilling dito.
Mahirap yung communications.
Iho inaabot na signal.
Awan ti gusto nga osar
Awan di bumatang.
These are some of the problems our community faces. Thus,
we have to move forward with science and technology and innovation. Talagang maki-push forward, itiubing tayo. Kan panagisaganan, tiubing tayo.
Pagyaman ako na ijay dakil nga tulong, kini supportan ti government. Growth na ngay kat at least ada pag-improve na.
Papatuloy po namin ang supplementary feeding para gumanda po ang kanilang nutritional status.
Bring dito water tayo dito no dati typhoon no podo nga napiksa malibog jay
with each step together towards better health and nutrition, we lay the groundwork for human resource development.
Now I am also in promoting research and innovation in our school, and hoping that the learners will also see the beauty of mathematics, engineering, science, innovation, and research.
Ito po mga Starbucks natin na ay malaking tulong ho.
lalo na pag may assignment po sila or takdang aralin, dito po sila pumunta.
As we walk further together, we unlock economic opportunities, empowering women and youth.
Aside from my students, women's are using also this one.
Daman po daw kami abusit time. Nawada po di saran mi ay livelihood mi.
Karoon pa ako ng interest na mag-bake.
Katulong mat lang ito for my finances now and my skills.
Dahil nakipartner kami. May magtimanta na tulong lang kasi maintenance niya dahil dipid tapi ang deadline. So kapag yung isusar mi maintenance, so kapag nga additional income nila. Tapi man, ito dati yung katurugan ti Gusmi, ito dati balay.
We have seen that the realization of sericulture in many areas has augmented the farmer's income.
Dakal tinaitulong na ito yung organization ni kasi nung awan dagi tinaituthan ni mga process nga nasaya at dagi kaya't nila i-process tas kumaka ng itutang leya kung chocolate then already ko cacao powder kung cacao butter is nakanayaman ni TDOS ti pa ng itad na pinyan ti gindaway na maka-avail ka na ito machine.
Continuing our journey together, we focus on environmental protection and conservation, ensuring a sustainable future.
Initiatives me on communal forest management. So we support the EMB, the barangays, and establish the fish sanctuaries within the Upper Ambarayan River. Yearly, dati can conduct tayo nga search for cleanest and greenest barangays, rivers, and schools, and the offices.
Finally, we take steps together in disaster risk reduction and management, safeguarding our community from future challenges.
Part of our early warning system, communication, crucial talaga yung paggamit natin sa handheld radio.
Ang DOST family headed by the good Secretary Dr. Renato Solidum Jr. at lahat hanggang po sa provincial level. Thank you so much sa mga programa natin, sa suporta ng mga iba't ibang ahensya at sana tuloy-tuloy ho yung pagtulungan po natin.